I noticed there were some questions on the Facebook group and other places online about how to open the case for the UFPV Nirvana radio transmitter, so I figured I'd just walk you through it. I initially leave the case on when I'm opening it. You want to take off your grip pads to expose the hidden screws, and then pretty much you just unscrew your neck strap. Don't forget the two little screws right near there, and then unscrew the screws in all the places I'm pointing to here. Once you got all the screws out, you can go ahead and take the cover off. Just be careful with your gimbals and switches. So when I open it, I like to come in through the top right here. Keep in mind the first time you do this, it's going to be a little bit stickier than what you're seeing with mine, but you just basically have to find a gap. Some people like to come in through the side here. I've never really had success with that. And ultimately you want to pry the case open from the top going down. So I pop it out there, and then I move to right near sort of where the momentary switches are if it's sticking a little bit more. And then I just sort of work my way down the side and pop it out. Once you get it open, be careful. You have a ribbon cable and a radio connector connecting the two halves of the unit. If you were to just slam them open, you would probably break something. So you're going to want to get in there and manually disconnect the radio line first because that's a shorter cable, and then you'll get a little bit more movement to be able to get the ribbon cable out. So normally I keep it like this when I take the ribbon cable out. I'm going to move the case around a little bit just so you can see how to disconnect that. You'll see a black plastic piece. You just pop out each side of that, and that should allow the ribbon cable to come out freely. If you feel any tension there, you probably haven't undone that correctly. And there you go. Your Nirvana is open.